Hello student, today I am here to start now the practical of class 12. This is the first experiment of class 12. Now the first experiment our aim is to prepare 250 ml of M by 50 oxalic acid solutions. It means we have to prepare a solutions which molarity has given N by 50. So now for this there are the required for some apparatus. Now the required of apparatus is weighing balance, weighing tube, spatula, volumetric flask, funnel, pipette. These are the required. Now there is one more thing is required, chemical. Which chemical we are using to prepare for M by 50 oxalic acid solution is oxalic acid solution we have to need. So now shortly we are going to demonstrate this experiment how the solutions can be.
Okay, now first of all we have to weigh the weight of oxalic acid. How do we have to find out the weight of oxalic acid? We have to follow now the one formula. Its formula is molarity is equals to W means weight upon M means mass of oxalic acid multiplied by 1000 upon volume. So now we have to put all the values, means at the place of molarity means M it will be 1 by 50 is equals to, at the place of W it will be W, molarity of mass of oxalic acid is 126 multiplied by 1000 upon volume has given 250 ml. When we will solve it from 1 times it will be go 4 times, from 4 now the whole value when we will solve it will come W is equals to 0.63 gram. Now this is our oxalic acid weight. Now we have to weigh oxalic acid of 0.63 gram. Okay, now before we start now the practical, before that I want to show you now the apparatus of requirement for the preparation of oxalic acid solution. So now first of all it is what? This is weighing balance. Now see, this is weighing balance. We have to weigh the weight of oxalic acid. This is weighing balance. Now see, this is weighing tube. In this weighing tube we have to weigh oxalic acid. This is a spatula, it is used. This is funnel. Now this is volumetric flask, and now see its whole value has given 250 ml. Now here has indication of the 250 ml. Let's see, there is a one line, it shows now that its capacity of 250 ml. And now this is pipette. This pipette, the capacity of this pipette is 10 ml. Here has shown now 10 ml capacity of this pipette. Now here has shown the sign of the 10 ml. So now we are going to start now the practical. Okay, now we start the practical. First we have to take now weighing balance. After that we will take a weighing tube. In this weighing tube we have to weigh oxalic acid. Which weight we find it now? Already we got it 0.63 gram. So take this weighing tube. First we have to keep on weighing balance. Now see, there is some weight of this weighing tube we have to tear, and after that we will take this weighing tube. In this weighing tube, see, this is the oxalic acid. In this oxalic acid, with the help of a spatula we will take oxalic acid and we will keep in this weighing tube. Now we will see what is the weight. Now it is coming 1.42, it is more. Yes, finally we have to weigh oxalic acid. Now this amount of oxalic acid is 0.63 gram. Now after that we will take volumetric flask. After that, we will take the funnel. Now the weighing amount of the oxalic acid. Now we have to transfer with the help of the funnel. See, now after that we have to fill small amount of water in volumetric flask. Now after that we have to mix that solution in small amount of water. Now see clearly, you can see the whole particle of the salt, it has been dissolved into the water. Now after that we have to fill water at the value of 250 ml. But carefully we have to fill this slowly. Now see what we have to do. When you reach at the level of 250 ml, be careful. Now see, we have to reach at the level of 250 ml. See, there is a line of 250 ml. We have already filled this water to this level, and now remaining part of this volumetric flask we have to fill the bottle with the help of this pipette. Why I am doing so? Just because of it will not cross the level of 250 ml. So that is why we have to fill the water with drop wise. See, now see, now carefully make the volume of the solution till lower meniscus is reached. Now see, the water level has been reached at the lower meniscus C. Now after that we have to close this. Now our standard solutions of 250 ml of M/50 oxalic acid solution has been prepared. Thank you.